ExyCell is basically a modular cleanroom design. We manufacture the racks off-site, bring them to site, install them, finish. The advantages of ExyCell are numerous. We have the higher quality and the higher safety, and the core advantage is the huge time-saving effect we can achieve with the off-site manufacturing. The Hilti team worldwide was a key success for the ExyCell, and the global available MT system is a perfect match for the ExyCell system.
In the projects Hilti is involved, time to market plays a decisive role. At the same time, workforce is short and space on site is limited. ExyCell is a really advanced answer to these challenges. Moreover, ExyCell is favorable from a sustainability point of view, which will become increasingly important during the next years. We as Hilti are proud to contribute to the global success of ExyCell.